Today, I'll show you how to turn your video into a sketch drawing effect in just a few clicks. Let's get started. First, import your video into the timeline and make sure it's selected. Now, head over to the effects panel and search for sketch. You'll find different sketch variations, but for this one, I'm using the default sketch effect. Simply drag and drop the effect onto your clip, and instantly your video transforms into a hand-drawn sketch style. But let's fine-tune it. Click on the clip, and in the right side editing panel, adjust the opacity slider if needed to get the look you want. And that's it. You've successfully created a sketch style video in Filmora. This effect works great for creative edits, animated style intros, or music videos. Try it out and see how it fits your project. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more quick Filmora editing tips.